Nakatagong lihim ni Chloe San Jose, girlfriend ni two-time Olympic gold medalist Carlos Yulo, binuking ng isang abogado, hindi raw tunay na Filipino, kaya nanganganib na ma-deport. Si Chloe San Jose ay kilala bilang unapologetic na mahaderang girlfriend ni Carlos Yulo at mas nakilala ito sa social media nang matapang itong nakipag-away sa mga magulang ni Carlos Yulo. Bukod sa pang-aaway nito sa mga magulang ni Carlos Yulo ay kinaiinisan din ito ng mga netizens dahil sa pagpo-post nito ng mga malalaswang mga larawan sa social media na pinapasilip pa niya ang kanyang mga masiselang bahagi ng katawan sa social media na hindi na raw tama ayon sa mga netizens dahil marami mga kabataan daw dito ang nakakakita. Isang abogado ang nagbulgar ng di umani tinatagong baho ni Chloe San Jose. Binuking ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido sa social media na hindi raw totoong Filipino citizen si Chloe San Jose dahil Australian citizen raw ito. Dahil sa mga hindi raw nito magagandang pinaggagawa dito sa Pilipinas ay nararapat raw itong ipa-deport na. Illegal din daw ang pagtatrabaho ni Chloe San Jose dito sa Pilipinas dahil wala rin daw itong hawak na working visa. Tourist visa raw ang hawak nito pero kung makaasta raw ito ay parang hawak niya ang Pilipinas. Ayon pa sa Facebook post ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, it's time to deport Chloe San Jose if she is indeed an Australian citizen as she claims to be with an upturned nose, then she is here on a tourist visa. That means she cannot work, which is exactly what she is doing, claiming that she is not depending on Kaloy because she is earning money in her own right, parading her assets on TikTok in various states of undress. Those are taxable income. She has appeared on ASAP at least twice, one blamed for Typhoon Karina. She must have earned talent fees therefrom. She has also endorsed a skincare product being extensively covered, sashaying in a grand entrance and undergoing some sort of facial treatment in an ad. Again, that must have earned her and Kaloy quite a sum. She has been modeling various kinds of outfits and unmentionables. Without a working visa, she cannot engage in these money-making activities. Moreover, she has engaged in public behaviors that offends the feelings of the Filipino people, particularly her treatment of Kaloy's mother. This girl doesn't behave like a visitor. She acts like she owns the Philippines. All of the above make her an undesirable alien. We have been moving heaven and earth to deport Alice Go to China without success. It will be much easier to deport Chloe Angela San Jose to Australia. Isiniwalat din ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido na ipinanganak raw si Chloe San Jose sa Pilipinas noong March 21, 2002. Pero lumipat raw ito sa Australia noong 2013 at naging ganap na Australian citizen raw ito nito lamang 2020. May isang netizen naman ang nagtanggol kay Chloe San Jose na nagsabing baka naman daw dual citizen raw si Chloe San Jose. Ngunit ayon kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, malabo raw na dual citizen raw ang hawak ngayon ni Chloe San Jose dahil nito lamang 2020 naging ganap siyang Australian national at nanumpa sa bansa ng Australia bilang isang Australian citizen na kaya kinakailangan raw niyang mag-reapply ng kanyang pagka-Filipino para maging dual citizen siya. Pero matagal raw ang proseso nito kaya malabo raw na may hawak agad itong dual citizen. Say pa nga nito, note, she became an Australian national only in 2020. Highly unlikely she turned around and reacquired Filipino citizen too soon considering her attitude. Ayon pa nga kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido na pag-alaman niya na mahigpit raw ang consular office pagdating sa pagproproseso ng dual citizen o reapplication ng pagka-Filipino. I heard some commenters that consular offices tightened the process. Pinatotohanan naman ito ng isang netizen. Mahirap process, sir, sabi ng anak ko, kaya she never bothered. Dagdag pa nga dito ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, it takes effort to reacquire Filipino citizenship. I haven't seen proof that she underwent the process of reacquisition. May isang netizen naman ang sumagot kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido at nagsabing, correct attorney, dual citizenship is not automatic. It has to be solicited and applied for. Say pa ulit ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, 2020 lang siya naging Australian citizen. Dual citizen na agad? It takes a process of reacquisition. Highly unlikely as she doesn't like Filipino culture in the first place until she met Kaloy. Kaugnay nito, wala pang inilalabas na pahayag si Chloe San Jose ukol dito. Pero nang makapanayam ng media si Carlos Yulo kahapon, sinabi nitong magpapakasal na raw sila ni Chloe San Jose next year. Ayan, anong masasabi mo dito? Anong hanash mo?